Hi friends, welcome back to the Refrigerator. Today we have a double header of my daughter's two favorite books, Moo Bah La 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 and Are You a Cow by Sandra Boynton. Are you a cow? Hey! I'm a chicken. Yes, it's true. Tell me, what are you? Are you a cow? No. Are you a dog? No. Are you a duck? No. Are you a frog? No. Are you a lamb? No. Perhaps a pig? Nope. You are not a hippo. You are small. They are big. Are you a bear who does not frown? No. Are you a chicken upside down? No. Are you a penguin? You're not? But wait, you must be you. Now isn't that great? And moo bah la la la. A cow says moo. A sheep says baa. Three singing pigs say la la la. No, you say, that isn't right. Pigs say oink all day and night. Rhinoceroses snort and snuff, and little dogs go ruff, ruff, ruff. Some other dogs go bow, wow, wow, and cats and kittens say meow. Quack, says the duck. A horse says neigh. It's quiet now. What do you say? I say get out your pencil and let's draw a cow. All right, my friends, to draw our cow, we are going to draw first two letters of the alphabet. We are first going to draw a U, and then touching our U, we are going to draw a lowercase n. Perfect. We are going to connect the top of our U just like this. And then we are going to give our cow some ears, as well as some horns. To draw our cow's mouth and nose, you're going to draw a curved line here, and then two ovals just like this. We're also going to give our cow some eyes. So again, two ovals, and then two circles inside those ovals. And you can go ahead and color those in. Now we're going to give our cow some legs, and the way we're going to do that is we're going to draw a smaller N in between our N, and then connect the lines at the bottom just like this. All right, then we're going to draw another line just like this for our cow's hooves, and let's give him a cute little tail. With the little hairs at the bottom. Alright, our cow's definitely missing some spots. Go ahead and go crazy with those spots, whatever you want. I'm going to give my cow some udders. Alright, it's time to trace. I'm going to color my cow brown because I like to say, how now, brown cow? Lots of rhyming words there. You can color your cow anytime, any colors you want. All right, I'm gonna put my cow on a farm with some grass and a big blue sky. Can't wait to see what you guys do. All right, there's my cow. That's it for today on the refrigerator. Please keep sending me your pictures so I can put them at the end of these videos. Stay tuned to see if you see yours on today's. Have a good day.